Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to do another glam holiday look. I know that the last video that I did, I said it was a fall look, but now I can say that we are fully transitioning into the winter. So as I did with the fall looks, I will be doing episodes as well. I think that the fall look, I did like 4 or 5 different looks. So I will also be planning to do episodes for the holiday season as well. So I am super excited for that. So today will be my first glam holiday look because I do want to have a bunch of ideas for the holiday season so you guys could recreate this look. And today I am thinking of a pink glam look. So if you're wearing like a pink nude dress like that, like I'm wearing right now, then you could definitely slay this pink look that I will create right now. So I am super excited to start this video, and also I know that I have to fix my nails. This one already broke. This one, I don't know what happened, but please don't mind my nails because it's crazy. But with that being said, guys, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel down here so that way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And also, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did my eyebrows and also conceal my lid, so that way I am ready to apply my eyeshadow. And as always, I will be using the Morphe x Jeffree Star collaboration palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my JS6 brush, and I'm going to dip into Self-Made, and I'm just going to start out here on my outer corner. So this color is very pigmented, so I recommend that you put a small amount and then you keep on building up along the way. And then I'm gonna grab my e.l.f. blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the shade Mine, and I'm just going to again try to diffuse the outer edge of the pink, just like this. So as you guys are noticing, I am not bringing the pink color all the way to my inner corner. I'm just putting it halfway because I do want to add the shimmer color right here and also inside my inner corner to connect with the pink, if that makes sense. So you guys are gonna see it right now, just bear with me. But as of right now, we just want to blend the pink shade that we put on. I'm gonna go with Self-Made again and just try to bring that color back. So you're basically going back and forth with these shades, just really blending in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a shimmer shade. I'm gonna go ahead and add Don't Know Her, and I'm just going to apply it right here on the center of this lid. And I'm going back with Self-Made once more and trying to basically bring that color. And now I'm grabbing my favorite shimmer shade ever, Custom Rims. I'm just going to apply it right here, right on my inner corner. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so since I really want to darken that pink shade, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Mogul and basically apply it on my outer corner and make it a little bit deep and darker. So let's see how that works. And since I applied concealer under my eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. I'm gonna go and grab Self-Made. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same step on this part of the eye, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my falsy lashes. So today I'm gonna be using the Lily lashes, the style Mykonos. Hopefully I am saying that name right, but this is how the lashes look. They are super beautiful. So I'll be applying these babies on my eyes right now, and let's see how it comes out. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and applied my lashes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm gonna apply my foundation, concealer, and all of that good stuff. Today I am using my Maybelline foundation. This is the shade 127 Sand Beige. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I always forget to put my primer, so we're gonna go ahead and put our primer. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this pink glam look. So I really think that this makeup look would go with the holiday because it is very pink and flirty. So that is why I decided to create this look, and I really like how it came out. It came out really nice. So this is the first look that you guys are seeing, and I really love it a lot. I also love this lily lashes, which is the style Mykonos, and I had to admit that I enjoyed these lashes more than the Miami lashes. The Miami lashes are great, but for my eyes they are a little bit long and big, so I prefer this one instead because it is fluffy but it fits my eye. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. So without any further ado, I'll catch you guys in my next video.